SDRPlay today.
If you're a trucking industry professional, then you need to be in the know. And there's no one more in the know than the readers of Fleet Owner magazine. Written for executives and managers, Fleet Owner provides information on operations, vehicle maintenance, regulations, and information technology. But that's not all. Fleet Owner, with its monthly free publication and FleetOwner.com website, has all the latest news and information to keep your business operating efficiently. From industry experts to award-winning writers and columnists, Fleet Owner is the #1 source of trucking information in North America. Informational webinars, executive reports, videos, international trucking news awards, and easily accessible from FleetOwner.com. And if you're looking to buy or sell a truck, visit the Fleet Owner Phantom Auctions page powered by Asset Nation. Join Fleet Owner on Twitter and Facebook to hear what others are saying. And remember to visit FleetOwner.com every day for the latest industry news. Sign up to receive the Fleet Owner free daily newsletter and your copy of Fleet Owner in print.
Eric Harley here to tell you about our new podcast, Red Eye's Extra Mile, your one-stop shop for all things. We'll talk about everything from taking care of your rig and taking care of your health, the new products and technology, regulations, and new ways to stay focused on the road ahead. You can listen while you're driving. You can listen while you're not driving. Red Eye's Extra Mile, available on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, TuneIn, Spotify, and our website, RedEyeRadioshow.com.
In times like these, violence in our schools is a reality. So it's important to know how to prevent such tragedies from happening. Talk to your kids. Explain to them the dangers of weapons at school. And tell them that if they see a student with a weapon, or even hear someone talking about having one, they need to report it immediately. Tell them if something doesn't look right or seem right to you, speak up. Get to know who your child is spending time with and where they are at all times. If you notice that your child has sudden mood or behavior changes, or seems to always be angry or sad, talk to a teacher, administrator, or medical professional. Be a role model for them and settle your own conflicts without resorting to violence. School should be a safe place for our children. We all need to work together to keep it that way. Let's put an end to these tragedies. Ask your school to adopt an anti-violence program. Visit ncpc.org to learn more on how to keep our children safe. That's ncpc.org.
A message from the U.S. Department of Justice, National Crime Prevention Council, and the Ad Council. I'm a firefighter.
A teacher.
I'm a farmer. I'm a barber.
A waitress. A mom. We're all part of your community. Every day we move in and out of each other's busy lives. It's easy to take for granted all the little moments that make up our everyday.
Some are good, but others not so much.
But that's life. It's when you experience a moment of uncertainty, something or someone's behavior that doesn't seem quite right.
These are the moments. Take a pause.
Because if something doesn't feel right, it's probably not. It's not about paranoia.
We're not afraid.
It's about standing up and protecting our communities.
One detail at a time.
Because a lot of little details can become a pattern. We trust our instincts.
Just like you should.
Because only you know what's not supposed to be in your everyday.
We'll protect your everyday.
If you see something suspicious, say something to local authorities.
Get the latest news, sports, and weather at KXEL.com.